Good day everyone. My name is General Sundulan Casikas, base BA 1D, and I got this tree as you can see. So for today's video, let us all plant trees to preserve our Mother Earth. Trees hold water, prevent flooding, recharge underground aquifers, and maintain water vapor in the atmosphere, increasing the opportunity for rainfall. When the forests are cut down, the water vapor in the atmosphere disappears in an area, decreasing precipitation and increasing the risk of drought and desertification. To plant trees is to give body and life to one's dreams of a better world.